how to transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Binance. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Binance. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Tonkeeper app on your mobile. Over here, since Toncoin is not listed on Binance for trading, you need to swap Toncoin to USDT first. To do this, select the swap option, choose Toncoin and USDT, and then enter the amount you wish to swap. After that, once the swapping is complete, tap on the send button. Over here, you will see that an address is needed. Then open the Binance app, select deposit and search for USDT. After that, choose the correct network, which is done. Now, copy the USDT deposit address from Binance. Go back to the Tonkeeper app and paste the address into the required field. After that, go back to Binance and copy the USDT memo. Then switch to Tonkeeper again and paste the memo into the comment field. Once you've entered the correct details, tap Continue. Specify the amount of USDT you want to send and confirm the transaction. So that's how you can transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Binance. That's all for this video.